Hi, this is Nick from Extrabyte, and I'm really happy to announce that we are bringing BGRenderer2 beta here to AS scripts. After so many years, we've updated BGRenderer to do so much more wonderful stuff. Let's just dive into it. Of course, the main thing is multiprocessing. It renders your project in multiple streams of image sequences and then stitches them together with our render presets. It can also send you email notifications like the old one, and also mobile pushes, Slack messages. It can make GIFs with GIF gun if you already have it. And the thing that we cherish the most, the Microsoft Flow automation that I will cover later. And if you have any questions, we also have this BGRenderer.com website. It has extensive documentation on every feature, and we are going to add more video tutorials there later. But let's get into the BGRenderer and how it works. So let's first render a animation without multiprocessing. You just click BGRender and it works just like the old one. It adds this composition to a render queue and then processes the render queue. And also we've made our own representation of the render queue, and yeah, of course you can keep working. Here you will see the exact processing frames and the total process. If you have more than one compositions, then it will show the process for each of them. Let's wait till it finishes. Okay, now it's finished, and as you see, BGRenderer will not override the files. It will always add the suffix to the name of it. And now let's go to render it with multiprocessing and also compile the video file with H.264. So this thing also adds a post-render action of sequence to video, which you set up in here. So we have 5 presets. Let's choose one of them. And as you see, when you click on multiprocessing, you now can set the number of streams. So let's set 4. Okay, let's click BGRenderer. Okay, and as a result of this action, we are going to have the BGRenderer sequence here and MP4 file as well. So let's just open it with the VLC. And you don't have to collect the sequence to file manually. That's the magic of it. Like we've tried to keep the settings very easy and very understandable. So like have this project folder as in render queue, custom. You can also set the custom folder. And here you can set what you want to do with render queue. You can render only your render queue that you've already preset, or you can add to render queue and render, do whatever you want, and launch the post-render actions. For now, let's set Microsoft Flow action, and I'm going to add my Microsoft Flow URL that I'm going to describe how to get later, and send the test flow notification. Here we have a channel for these notifications in Slack, and Microsoft Flow can send you notifications to Slack, email, push notifications to mobile, and so much more. And it sends me the comp name, file path, and FPS. And if I do the render again, it will send me push and everything like that. So you can also set it not only with Flow, but directly with Slack messages using your Slack token account. Mobile push with pushover notifications. And if on any part you're having any questions, you don't know what to do, you just click you just right click on the interface and click on help. And you will be redirected to our website with the precise help page on these elements. So for example, here's how to set up pushover. And if you don't know what to do with Flow, just right click, help, and now you're reading how to do it with Microsoft Flow. And yes, if you have any questions or any suggestions, just go to our roadmap and click on use our public trailer roadmap. Here we've set up the features that we are going to work on, and we really encourage you to vote on them. So we are prioritizing the most necessary ones. And also send us your ideas via the Google form that is mentioned here in how to use this board. Thank you, and we are waiting for your feedback on BGRenderer2.